Published, 11:28 Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the 1st of April 2019. Updated, 11:28 Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the 1st of April 2019. Consumers who have had problems with claims management companies can now complain to the Financial Ombudsman Service, as the sector falls under the regulation of the Financial Conduct Authority from today. The FCA vowed to impose fines on companies that break the rules, either by harassing people who haven't consented to receiving calls, emails or texts, using high-pressure selling, or not providing customers with clear information about their fees. The regulations also cap the amount a CMC can charge you for a PPI claim at 20% plus VAT. The city regulator has now taken over regulation of the claims management industry from the Ministry of Justice, and has vowed to fine or unauthorize those who break the rules. Executive Director of Supervision at the FCA Jonathan Davidson said today that changes would mean customers will be protected from claims management cowboys and get a better deal. CMCs, which include those who charge customers for help in making compensation claims for mis-sold financial products like PPI or personal injury claims, were previously regulated by the Claims Management Regulator, part of the Ministry of Justice. The decision to transfer this authority to the FCA following a government review of the industry in 2016. Consumers who felt unhappy with the treatment they'd received from these so-called ambulance chasers have previously been able to seek compensation through the legal ombudsman since the 27th of January 2015. Before then they could complain through the CMR, but not get compensation. Nearly 9,000 people complained in 2014 about unfair treatment at the hands of CMCs. Perhaps unsurprisingly, the majority of complaints were to do with firms offering to help customers who may have been mis-sold PPI. This is Money has cautioned against using these companies to make PPI claims at the risk of incurring hefty commission costs, and publishes a template for mis-sold PPI that readers can use. The FCA added today that its new requirements included due diligence on lead generation and rules to prevent firms encouraging customers to make fraudulent, frivolous or vexatious claims or claims which have no good basis, and required companies to tell customers about free alternatives such as the FOS or the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. It said more than 900 CMCs have registered for temporary permission to continue operating while they go through full authorization with the FCA. Davidson added, today brings a new regime and rules for regulating the claims management industry. Many CMCs play an important role in helping to secure compensation for customers, including for those who otherwise might not make a claim. The new regime has consumer protection and CMC professionalism at its heart. It will mean that customers will be protected from claims management cowboys and get a better deal.